Hello guys, in this video let's discuss about metrics in automatic device management. So this video is in continuation with our previous video, and most of the things which we discussed in our previous video we are going to repeat it in this video as well. So metrics provide summary counts of the various states that a device may report back after applying the configuration content. So I know guys this definition is confusing, so let's simply ignore it. So we have two types of metrics, that is system metrics and custom metrics. So system metrics, it is there by default and it shows the number of targeted devices and the number of devices to which update was applied. So update means changes in desired properties of device twin. And as an example of custom metrics, it can show the number of devices which correctly updated themselves and reported back the desired configuration via reported properties of device twin. So even if this is not clear, don't worry, let's move to the next slide. So what we will do? So again, let's say we have 4 devices. For 2 devices the tags city is equal to Mumbai is there. For one device tag city is equal to Pune, and for one device tag city is equal to Delhi. Again, this same example we discussed in our previous video. So now we want to update all devices where city is equal to Mumbai. That is, we want to update all these devices where tags city is equal to Mumbai is there, and we want to update desired property as telemetry frequency is equal to 5 minutes. And again, this is exactly what we implemented in our last video. But in addition, now for one device which is from Mumbai, we will update reported property as telemetry frequency is equal to 5 minutes. So we have 2 devices for which telemetry frequency is equal to 5 minutes will be updated in desired properties, but only one device will update itself and it will report telemetry frequency is equal to 5 minutes under reported properties. So as we can guess, system metrics will show number of targeted devices 2 and number of devices to which desired configuration was applied again 2, but custom metrics will show that number of devices which correctly updated reported property is equal to 1 only. And now let's go to the Azure portal. So guys, we are in Azure portal and I have opened our IoT Hub. We are under devices and we have 4 devices. So if you see for device 1, again please follow my mouse. So for device 1 and for device 2, we have tag city is equal to Mumbai. For device 3, tag city is equal to Pune, and for device 4, tag city is equal to Delhi. Okay. So as we did in our last video, let's now go to configuration plus deployments. Here let's say add, and I will say device twin configuration. So let's say my config, but we will be adding custom metrics as well. So we'll say my config with custom metrics. Now let's say next. So again here we need to provide the new desired property. So I will say properties dot desired dot telemetry frequency and value let's say 5 minutes. Now let's say next, let's keep priority as 10, and now that is important guys. So here we need to provide the target condition. Okay, so it will be tags dot city is equal to Mumbai, and now let's say next. And here now guys we will provide our custom metrics, and this custom metrics should show the number of devices which correctly updated themselves and which now returned this newly added property under reported properties. So I will say devices configured successfully, and now under metric criteria I will say this one, that is select device ID from devices where, and here you can see guys, properties dot reported dot telemetry frequency is equal to 5 minutes, and that is the exact property, that is telemetry frequency we have added under target devices. Okay, so now here I will say next, and now let's say create, and you can see our configuration has been successfully created. First let me expand this. As of now, under system metrics it's not showing targeted or applied devices, so again we may need to wait for a few minutes, so let's wait. Okay guys, so we have waited for a few minutes, and now let's say refresh, and you can see system metrics show 2 targeted and 2 applied. That means 2 devices for which tag city is equal to Mumbai. Again you can follow a mouse. For those the required desired configuration has been applied. So that's okay. That is the same thing we covered in our previous video. But now we are more interested in this custom matrix. So first let me collapse these columns. Okay, so basically we are more interested in this custom matrix, that is the devices which are configured successfully as per the new desired property. Okay, so again now we want device 1 again guys. So we have 2 devices which tag city is equal to Mumbai, but only one of those device we want one such device to update its reported property as send telemetry is equal to 5 minutes. And again for that now we will go to Visual Studio and we will run our custom C# stimulator code which will update the reported property. So let's go to the Visual Studio. So guys, we are in Visual Studio and this is our project, that is code to update reported properties. So guys, first thing, we cannot update reported properties from cloud or from the Azure portal, right? That reported property, they are updated by the device only. So here we are stimulating this code as if this code will be executed from the device. Okay, so again we have already discussed this code in one of our previous videos. So we have this connection string to connect to this device. So again if you see, this is our device 1, and again for this device 1 tag city is equal to Mumbai is there, and for this device now desired property as telemetry frequency is equal to 5 minutes we have already updated. So we created device client using this device connection string, and here now we are adding a reported property, that is telemetry frequency is equal to 5 minutes, and we are simply updating the reported properties. So let's run this code, and you can see the debugger has been hit, that means reported property must have been updated. So let's cross check in Azure portal. So again guys, we are back in Azure portal. So let's go to device 1, and for this device we updated the reported property. So let's go to device 2 and let's go down, and you can see first tags city is equal to Mumbai. We added this desired property, that is telemetry frequency is equal to 5 minutes, and now let's go down, and yes, under reported property we can see this, that is telemetry frequency is equal to 5 minutes. But we want this information to view from custom matrix. So let's again go to our IoT Hub configuration. So again you see we are in IoT Hub, and under configurations and deployments, let me maximize this. So again we may need to wait for a couple of minutes, so let's wait. Okay, so we have waited for a few minutes, and now let's say refresh, and yes, under custom matrix you can see one device updated successfully. Okay, so guys, we applied custom matrix for just one of the criteria, but you can create your own custom matrix based on your requirement. And how you can create custom matrix based on different criteria, probably you can refer Microsoft documentation for this. Thank you guys.